The saying every dog has its day has come to life here at the Dog Festival in Kampala. Squads of different breeds are here to showcase their skills and training capability.
The thing with dogs is that they have different training programs. So when you train it as a pet, it's going to be a pet. When you train it as a security dog, it's going to be a security dog. So the relationships comes into more of like loyalty, and then they are obedient. They listen to their, I would say, their owner or anyone who's commanding them.
Meet Sophia the Beast, a mountain Caucasian dog. She is 3 years old and weighs close to 85 kilograms. Her daily menu is an exciting one.
It is a very jealous dog. You know, when it is used to a family, it wants to protect the family against the strangers and any other thing that is trying to attack the family. She's not a very complicated dog. No, me, I normally feed it on chicken and porridge.
Dog handlers, breeders, pet owners and lovers graced the Dog Annual Show.
In terms of security, we've seen dogs doing sniffing. They have retrieved exhibits, they have retrieved kidnapped kids, they have retrieved a lot of things. So people have started valuing dogs and have known how important dogs are, unlike the previous years, sure.
I believe with some little bit of management and a little bit of regulation that the future of purebred dogs in Uganda is great, and I sincerely hope that we are going to help the stray dogs and mixed breeds to also stay alive and live a fulfilled life.
If you're annoyed, the dog will always get to know that you're annoyed. If you're happy, it will always know that you're happy. So with the relationship with the human beings, it's quite a big scale.
This festival is an opportunity for the Uganda Police too to compare notes, but also showcase the canine unit. The intelligent dogs can track, sniff, arrest, obedient, and are key players in the police investigation unit. This at a time when there is an increase in advanced crime in the country.
Police Canine has a program of getting training both within the country and outside the country to get sophisticated means of handling these dogs, or training these dogs, so that we can encounter and overcome the challenge of the criminals.
This funfair gets exciting as dogs have their best moment in competitions, and also the winning dogs get rewarded. But this also gets a platform to raise a voice for the animal rights in the country.
Dogs, they love to run, and they love to chase, and they love to be free, and this is the very important freedom. Our breeders unfortunately keep dogs in very tiny cubicles, and they breed them way too often, and that's why we have stray dogs, dogs roaming the streets, dogs transmitting various diseases, and I believe unfortunately in Uganda the situation is a little bit out of control.
Uganda's Animal Prevention of Cruelty Act stipulates offences of cruelty by any person who cruelly beats, kicks, ill-treats, overdrives, rides, commits a crime of cruelty and is liable to conviction.